Are there specific rugs that are good for sound insulation? Acoustic rugs for sound insulation. They are engineered with materials and construction techniques that help absorb and dampen sound waves, reducing echo, reverberation. Construction of acoustic rugs. When selecting an acoustic rug, it is important to consider factors such as the noise reduction coefficient, NRC, which indicates the product's sound absorption capacity. Complementary soundproofing techniques. In conclusion, there are indeed specific rugs designed to enhance sound insulation.